everybody, it's Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a quick flip through for you guys from the Happy Planner sticker book, All the Plans. Okay, this is going to be super quick flip through. This is a super functional sticker book. Has 942 stickers, so let's get started. All right, we have some monthly sticker boxes here. Functional flags. Some of these have stuff written in them. Fun plans, hello weekend, and date night. These actually hug into the monthly where your month still shows. All kinds of clear stickers for nail appointments and salon appointments and self-care, sleep masks, and mirrors. These are paper stickers of, looks like all kinds of cute little boho looking plants. And this is actually a water plants sticker so that you don't forget to water your plants. And then these just say don't forget if you don't want to use the florals. Here's all kinds of shopping tags, shopping carts, and shopping bags. All different colors, silver foiling, like those. And then we have your pet page. You have all kinds of little doggy paws. You have little kitty cats. You have little doggies sitting up, and more little kitty cats and more little doggies. And then you have your blue, yellow, orangey, teal, green, and pink under them. I think that is so cute, especially this could mark like a grooming day for your animal. Then you have all kinds of functional quotes in different color backgrounds and functional circles. Work schedule. These all say work schedule in different colors with gold foiling. And then you have your weekend vibes only stickers here in the green and the purple, fun and yay circle quotes. And then this is one that I rarely use, and I'm thinking about trying to do something to make this more functional for me. So this is what, where, when. This is more like for a party or a trip or a vacation. And then, of course, this is all your very important oops, at, blah, appointment, so on and so forth. And then you've got your packing list. This is super cute for vacation mode. Yes, vacay. And then let's wander. And then it says towns and cities, sun, surf, sand, food, culture, where. And these are like, you can notate all the places that you went. And maybe even put the people you went with. And then you have all kinds of like cute little travel icons here. And these are clear, from your sunglasses to your airplane to your bicycles, sunrise. And then this looks like a little road map here with your location dots, palm trees, cameras, luggage, a global thing like what you'd find a road map in, luggage, and more airplanes. And these are all functional strips, must do today, top priorities, all in an arrow type setup with the arrow going all kinds of different directions. And then these, of course, you can write in whatever it is that you need to write in for your own reminders. And then we have practice this week. We got, that one's nice. I like that we have that added in there because, you know, I do take my grandbaby a lot for her practices, so that's really nice. Make it a habit, practice, daily check-in. Yeah, so that's pretty much all of those. And then this is like now and later circles, but I really like that they added practice. For me, I'm going to use that as a cheer practice sticker, so I don't know what you guys would use it for. Maybe you're practicing the cello, or maybe you're practicing squats. Who knows? Both, I think, would be excruciatingly painful. So, moving on. This is all focus page. Focus and very important. And then you've got your bullet strips here. And then you've got, those are all like in a different colors. I really like those colors, and I'm really loving that blue. I'd like to really see a spread with that color blue. See, I like really different colors. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, date night, and Friday. I'm really getting into the Friday stickers because I'm telling you, Fridays don't come quick enough for me anymore. These are clear. Here's clear cleaning stickers, tidy up, a vacuum cleaner, and laundry. Yeah, it's like it never ends, does it? These all are little odd-shaped little mini boxes that say noted, due, meeting on these. Appointment what I call half oval stickers. What in the world? There we go. And little header strips in all kinds of different colors. Meal planning, dinner with friends, dinner plans, lunch dates, like those, silver foiling. Doctor's appointment stickers, and then you have your bullet dots and their different colors again. And then you have all kinds of flags here for paydays, shopping, making important calls, bill due, send, to do, call. So these are all, you know, task flags. And I love that they added these in. These are super cute. Your little $ payday stickers. And those are clear. And then here you have more who, what, where, AM, PM, show up with a smile. So this could be a party, a doctor's appointment, whatever you want it to be. And then you have all kinds of functional icons here, to do, money signs, question mark, exclamation point, the @ sign. I really like these because they have little sketches in the background. And like this is home chores, and it has like a teapot, a chair, a plant, a bowl of something, a whisk, and socks. Like these are so cute, and it's all says home chores, and they're all different colors. Super, super cute. And we have more cleanup, and we have more vacuums. Like I said, does it ever really end? Then we have more work schedules, and again, does it ever end? And your bullet lists. We've got birthday stickers in different colors. We got yay stickers in different colors. And we've got party stickers in different colors. And they're accented with gold foil, and they're clear. And then here we have all of our holidays, and these are all clear, and they're all different colors. So for those of you, if you're like me, I run out of all my holiday things, so I'm really nice to have this page back. And here's more of the who, what, where, stickers, and I like that they've cut that off. It looks like it's coming out of the side of the box on your planner for like a baby shower, wedding shower, wedding, whatever. And then here's your fitness icons. You've got your Apple Watch, your shoes, your weights, your yoga mat, your tennis shoes. And then here we have meal prepping, dinner plans, and lunch dates. And these are all your paper stickers, no foiling. They're not clear, and there's no foiling. So we made it through all my sticker books. Yay. This is the All the Plans sticker book. I hope that you actually enjoyed this flip through. If you did, I hope that you give me a big thumbs up. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And watch out for a lot more planner content coming up. I have a lot of really different stuff that I'm trying to get out to you guys. Some really neat spreads coming up. I'm really excited about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, this came from Michael's. This is the Happy Planner All the Plans sticker book with 942 stickers. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Be safe, be kind, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.